In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to adjust layers in Canva. Canva is a fantastic tool for creating all kinds of visual content, from social media, graphics, to presentations and more. One of the key features that can enhance your design workflow is the ability to adjust layers, allowing you to manage and organize elements within your project with ease. So let's dive in and explore how you can accomplish this in just a few quick steps. To begin, open your Canva project where you want to adjust the layers. Once you have your design open, you'll need to focus on the specific element you want to modify within the layers. Start by right-clicking on the element you're working with. This action will bring up a context menu where you can find different options related to the element. Right-clicking is an important first step, as it gives you direct access to layer controls and various editing possibilities. Next, when the context menu appears, look for the option that says Layer. Don't click on it yet, simply hover over it. By hovering, you're preparing to access the Layers tool without making any immediate changes. Hovering brings up additional menu options, giving you a preview of what you can do with that particular element in regard to its layering within the design. This step is crucial because it helps you visualize how the element is currently structured within the whole design. Now, the next action you'll take is to click on Show Layers. This will open a more detailed pane or side window displaying all layers within your design. This visibility is incredibly handy because it allows you to see the hierarchy of all the design elements. Think of it like looking behind the scenes of your project, where you can pinpoint exactly which element is where. Once you've opened the Layers panel, you now have the power to adjust these layers however you see fit. To rearrange any given element, simply drag and drop the layer to your desired position. Moving layers around is as easy as holding down your mouse button over the layer you wish to move, then dragging it to its new location and releasing it. This gives you the ability to stack elements differently, perhaps bringing a text box forward or repositioning an image to the back. It's all about getting your design just right and having the flexibility to make real-time adjustments. There you have it. By following these steps, you can expertly manage layers in Canva to ensure your design's elements are arranged just the way you like. With these tools at your fingertips, you can create more dynamic and polished projects. Make sure to explore these features and practice to become even more proficient in enhancing your designs. Happy designing!